Ha! Oh, udliwe oh. Udle usuphakela ipipi ke manje uyalithenga lelo pipi. Vele ipipi
uyabreak uthi nini?
Unamanga angibreak ngithi usiyophakela ipipi yokusela ipipi.
Ngiyanithanda.
Uyaphi?
Ladies. Yeah.
Bye ladies, namele ngihambe ama-about angisemsebenzini kahle ngiyosebenza.
Niben ready for trend kusasa. Niben ready.
Mina ngicela i-break inkosi yami.
Mina ngikho-ready manje. My mom is gonna be so angry. My mom is gonna be so angry.
My parents are gonna be so angry. You know, I know my parents are gonna be angry for this. My dad will be the first one to send me because he's the one on Kuzai. My mom, my husband, they're gonna be like, why? Why did you comment?
I don't have anything against you. I was having an opinion. I was not even expecting this. Nima pop girls nandiza. I'm a puff girls are safe abantu nina nipisi. Yeah? Why niloko nithi sizo expose wena Dominic wena anyenge kubophisa ngoba uthe uyakhe kini mina ngakhe ekhaya mina bazali bami basebenzela bona mina ngisebenzela ilikami angakhe ekhaya so wena bengizokusuwa wena for lento ekukhuluma ngoba ukhuluma amanga cabanga noma umuntu angabayigay nyenge imkhethele elifana njengawe unuka ngikubhekile wena bese ngingafundela umuntu ofana nawe bengithi ngiyathula baby mina indoda ngayithatha ngamikisa ku strip club yayo bona ama stripper right asirious ngazongidaka nina ngalinje ngizongidaka ngizongilumile ngidakela kanti i31 zen bezinjani wena
I used to post like all the weird things and and I think out of everybody, because it was Dinero and then Kiman Gogo Dinero, which I don't like. I don't like Gogo Dinero, and I can say it freely. I don't give a fuck what you say. I know too much of our secrets, which I'm not gonna say unless it just starts with me. Then I'm gonna say because I'm good for that. But it was Gogo Dinero who started talking about spirituality. She was talking, and I'll give that to her. And then after her, then comes me. I was not talking, I was showing. Because I wanted the world to know. And even till now, guys, day in, day out, I think, every week, I've got people who come to me, they've dreamt of me. Bafuna ngibathwasise, bafuna 1, 2, 3. Angeke ngikuthwasise. Not because I cannot do it. But ngifuna ukuthwasisa umuntu oza kimi ngeqiniso. Oza kimi with the sense ukuthi idlozi limbonisile. I want to tell people out there, and I don't speak much, I don't share much anymore because I kind of understand. But every time you go live and every time you fight, now I'm a fighter, guys. Now you will never untloyela hambe and think that I'm not going to respond. Even that girl, the only reason why I never responded to that girl, honestly speaking, despite the fact that there are things that I can do in Dumbeni or there are things that I can do wherever, my father said, you need to remember who you are, you need to remember where you come from, and you don't need to respond to that. But what I'm trying to say is, at the end of the day, there's so many things that happen in my life and things that I hear or whatever, especially that little bamboonchim. I feel sorry for her. She's going to go mad, but it's fine. We're not here for that. What I'm saying is there's a lot of things that happen, but I'm
What's up? Utheni wena kanti ngoDominic podcast cause ngibone enye clip la uphiwe alwa khona baphiwe defending Gogo Scotena enye clip bethi I've never seen or heard Phiwe this angry.
Ata Ntatemol Dominic, I think, took this thing in a wrong way.
Utheni wena?
Nah, ngithe what like you saying na?
Ngibonile podcast but leyo part angizange thathele serious kangaka because angizange izwe engathi offend or something.
No, ngithe like lento ukuthi acoshisa abantu emsebenzini into engayithandi ngaye marena nyamthanda. Phela. Ngong.
For me,
Mele ngibe right vele ukwazi nje ukuthathela inye side zolamba phela. Athi ngamtakela ngibhorekile angibhukho nginamagig.
Ha!
Yeah.
Oh, bonga kayipost i-guide yakho ugcine ngokuyiposta ku-WhatsApp awuzange uyiposte kuma-socials ne?
Lapho angikhona nokuwenza ihlafa ngoba ngikhathela amagigi yena uthi anginawo.
Ngithi i-guide yakho awuzange ugcine
Angiposta. Yazi utheni? Yadakalo. Azongidakela. Futhi angisamthandi nje. I'm gonna block her everywhere. I'm going to block her on WhatsApp. Futhi nje angisamthandi. Wahamba wayolanda omunye umuntu, wayomlanda after podcast yethu. She needed me for numbers and then she went and fetched someone else that I don't like. And then a week after, I'm going to block her. Literally, I'm going to block her everywhere. Uporekile yadakala kana magegini. Wena ungakhulumi ngoba lo muntu uyaqoshisana uzothola iletter eqosha ekhawashi yakho iqoshe ube fired like unga-operate ekhawashi ubathe uyangena amagate akhiwe kuthiwa the owner is fired. So ungakhulumi bazokuqosha wena futhi abakuzwa nje.
azangixosha kuphi
Yena kanyela come on naka.
business
Let them come for you. I'll come for them in numbers. I'll bring my tikoloshes and my tikoloshes and my everything. And I fight for you. I'll fight. I'll kill them. Wena angazi ubab Dominic wenzeni wena wathini kwenzakalani? Nangazi next.
Mamela mfethu mamela block for block. Angimsebenzisi, akangisebenzisi. So ayikho into engizoyikhuluma naye. And into engiyikhuluma izola ngenzanga mistake.
Uthi wena wenzeni wena?
Awu bathi mina bengihleka njengoba wena ukhuluma.
Bemele ukhali.
Angazi, mele ngizigagele, angazi.
Yo. Ungikwatela kanjani ngoba khona le tipisi yakhe bekayigcokile ku DJ izinhlebe ngifuna zongiboleka ngine event engiyakuyo kusasa. Seka. Yo, bengifuna ukuyigcoka Chomi yanyisa. Bengifuna ukugcoka yona yo bezokuba vele konke nginawo. Manje baba mina kuseni ngimangele. Ngisemall. Omunye sisithi hayibo Dominic inini. I'm lost. I don't even know what she's talking about. Seyagula ke nya TikTok I search ngiyabona ama video ngami he uthi ngitakiwe he akangithandi futhi for lokho uzongiblocker what sengiyamsesha vele kanti uyabona ukungazazi izinto I unfollowed her 2 months ago.
Eish.
Uyabona ukungabheki I unfollowed her ibilaki kwesihwangizizwa kahle mina ngikhuluma isilungu ngimu-unfollowe 2 months ago ngathi unfollow mase kala le ndaba yanombangela khala mpiki unfollowile Ithathe ke mbona tsarinya wa phambili bambe fika sheka umzimba fence aripaka karijo katswa skasiphinya skasiphinya
Mzala mamela. Ngilungisa imoto la ngisazothenga.
no wacabana nayo kaphuka imoto
Yeah. So sizothenga izinto zemoto. Ngiyabuya
uyithenga ngani
request
ngoba
just
ngoba
now.
wena advertise ama corporate uyithenga ngani leyo part phela uyo nemali thina sinamali yabona mazipho ethu wase small asinathi imali asinamagigi phela masingagigi soyithatha imali sinala mazipho thina sina next Ngithi ngiyaxolisa manje ngiceda kuxolisa ayi kwabuya umqondo ayi ngeke hayi Bengithi ngiyaxolisa mara awuba jo hayi
Talk about me again. I will not respond. I will find you and I will come and I will tell you this to your face. I will tell you this to your face. I will find you. And it's when I saw it DJ when so DJ cool. Ngizokuthola. When I obsession ke mau santlwaela hampi. Obsession ke mau. Khona zo tlo bua nonsense. O tlo bua nonsense. You want to talk about my family? I come from a rich family, and so what? Is it my problem that you are not sent?
She says Gogo Maveni is beautiful only when she's quiet. Part 28.
Ngizobaleka yazi girl wena sisisangoma umuhle mawuthulile ubuhle bakho abufuni inkinga wena uba ile opposite ubuhle bakho abufuni ukuthi ukukhulume yonke into yakho ngathi yabo ube so moso muhle kabi waqala wathi vele kuthi uyalazi kokumadonsini ngivela ngasemuva leli imnyama banjalo kumele ukukhuluma ba exactly like that ngalokukhuluma thula mina kube nguwe mina kube ngikude kabi neimali zami neimoto zami mangabe zakho nalezo imoto sithulile nje thina ngaba vela sifuna ukukhuluma sithulile umuntu onemali mawuhlala nendoda ekibe ku-backroom wena uqala ukuhlala ugcoka igusha uhlala ku-backroom ugcoka igusha uhlala ku-backroom ekini wena uhlala ekini nendoda wena nendoda yakho benihlala ekini naze nenza ikhishi benihlala ekini wena thatha indoda uyifake ekini endlini wena buhlala nendoda ekini khohliwe kodwa ugcoka igusha uhamba ngeimoto lokutshintsha imoto mahlala ekini wena apha amaphepha wemoto sicubu masipha wait ke a thola ke tsoko digigi ke khathetse ke 2025 le bua nonsense le ibunzami ngathi la mabele le ibunzenu ngathi la mabele wamawile nje uyiswa yingane ngathi la mabele amangena ekhwapheni mangilele how wena mara le English ungayisebenzisi kuma interview wena kuma news what ube relevant in order for you to be lokoko uyo you had to hire a whole PR team wena ukuze ube ugogo bani you had to hire a PR team. I'm where I am because of abantu, not because of a PR team that I had to pay for me to be relevant and want to be a celebrity. Ngazongitaka wena yezo ngazongitaka. What a way to start a year. Ngibuye ubona ingane yami le mathuneni inginikeza amandla ukudlula la ngibuyela phezukweni. Cabanga uhamba nge-BMW, a whole BMW, a whole V-Class into othi uma uyingena i-fucking car. Bese uzobhisukelana nomuntu oyigundele nje ofakana lamazipho akhe we-150. Nifaka amazipho ama-3.7. Wena ukhuluma Dominic ngoba awona ngisho netotolozi ke yokususa from ecamereni ikumix gusha. leli noma leli nama diamond ngicela sleep jo ngicela sleep chum angisho ungawazipost sleep before namanje ungaziphinda ngisho lidek lino G bo G abayithu phela abadek abangaka abalingana nalomlomo bo G wena sicela sleep ngiyakubona konke aboma ngamaso uthengela nemuntu omthanda ifake hamba kunesono yema kunesono khona lele isicathulo sakhe simnyama mhleza sicokile vele nje angisho khuluma ngento dam sikhuluma ngeyakho noma siyeke ngizosicathulo awukwazi mawutha ukuthengela umuntu omthanda ifake chomi ngena emakhamzi ugcoka umnika isicathulo ngena emakhamzi umnika isicathulo sizomfanele mina indoda yami igcoka noma ngabe kuphi manje sinendoda yami sigcoka itemu sayigcoka itemu sayigcoka itemu sigcoka itemu masingena kuqaqa mina yami indoda sigcoka itemu sigcoka itemu cabanga uyakhumbula wena uyakhumbula uphansi imali phansi ya nena dress ngevalentine yes sesuzama kana TikTok ake ningisizeni ngalwa nozama mina futhi ngizomfonela uzama ngimrecording ngifake ku status ku Instagram ngamfonela uzama ngambiza uzama ngangibizela iceleni ngathi yabo ngiyahamba ngicela ungalingi uqoma indoda yale sangoma ngalinge hayi kokho ngathi hey ngalinge angifuni izindaba mina angifuni izindaba come let's talk akuphume phela ukuphumayo checkmate ngabo ngicala ungabo ngicala
then you just pass. If the person is lying, it will be because they're like that. They are lying, you know. If the person is lying about their achievements, that means we will see along the way. Why can't you just congratulate and leave it? Like it's 2025, darling. Only few hours left and we are still the same? No, like we must play with our age mates, you understand? I'm young, I don't care how many kids I have, but I'm still young. I'm very young. I'm young. I can have 5 kids, but I'm still young. So, please, every one of us should stick.
When I wake cucumber, ngathi ngakuthatha ngakufaka empophomeni kunalento omoya engqwele ngasekhuluma idlozi weke manje ngathi ngakufaka empophomeni somehow somewhat wena ngikubuka nje ngisho noma uyibambile le cucumber ngiyidle noma ngayigeza ngibhekile manje nizizwa njani nithobani ngokufana nani khuzani nina nilabangana laba abathi mabahamba bonke omunye iphafi ihamba la ningakhuzani akekho nje noyi1 ebekakhuzana lapho nonke nje nicabanga kanjalo vele everyday ni empty ninjalo vele the way vele nicabanga ngakhona niso wena uthi mina ngifuna ukuthanda wena ke mthakashana ngisaphila khombisa South Africa phela ukuthi wena Yagaya.
Also, my husband is gay. I didn't choose Leo Shem. You are now you're sucking on straws, my sweetheart. You're pathetic. You are pathetic. And at the very same night you're talking about is the night I don't know his name. You forgot. Did you forget that? Did you forget? And I'm actually surprised now you're telling people you don't drink. You were drinking that night.
Please manje futhi uyangihlokoloza. Mina ngibona ngathi nihlanyiswa ila mazipho. Ayansinda manje kumele niloku niwafaka emdidini wami so ningihlokoloza. Kukupa leswo ngihoni na tu. Please. I'm a fake sangoma, living a fake life. I don't have anything under my name. Ngithoyela ngumntanami, nginjanjanyana. Angithi kusho nini? So what do you want? A person who lives so highly driving V-classes, BMs and all that. And you're busy with someone who doesn't have anything? Girl child, no. Wena wazi isilungu. Ukhohle ukuthi wena wayineni le eAmerica, wawuyineni, wabuya nengane, wathi you were a psychologist uqamba manga. Uqamba manga uthi ufundile. Wena uthanda ukuphosta kangaka ziphi ithombe zakho graduate? Ziphi ithombe zakho graduate? Yeah? Ziphi ithombe zakho graduate? Wawuyineni phela wena le? Usebenza you pay what or whatever it is. Nyekele mina ngishangisazi isilungu. Angisazi psychologist ekhuluma dila ngengqondo. Hayi ukuthi bofuna ukusitshela ukuthi ufuna uthathele into ngqondo yakho imikise ku psychologist. Yeah? Ngihamba ngenyawo mina. Angina next. Unevi class no BM every year uthenga imoto every month uthenga imoto. Umfunani? Umfunani? Umfunani ngoba nginande nje ngiyayithendela ngokubhebhana bami. Mina angikazi ngibe umuntu ocreate amanga, ngicreate ama-stunt, ngithi kuzokwenza ukuthi cha, I don't need to be involved in anyone's drama, in anyone's commotion to trend. Ngizitrendela on my own, with my hustle, with my working hard. Then ngitrend. Mina with my creativity, I trend. I do not need. There is no drama I will ever entertain. Ngitregeni ningiphoste nikhuluma nifuna ukukhuluma nizongifica hlelana ngithi iRosa nePipi asibene topic asikhulume ngezinto nina nje nisafuna ukuthi work on yourself very hard, very hard ukuze nizophuma nakulamanga ama relationship enigcwele kuona. Abafana bayasibulala manje, abafana basifuni bayasibulala. Anikuboni lokho? This year kumele ngabe sibhizi siyakhuleka, we are motivating each other ngokuthi what to do, what is happening. Wena Manthunyana uqeda ukushada manje. Kanti yami umuntu phase it how long? Angisho mina ngiqakekile emshadweni wami. Ngiyambula kuyambezwa. Yeah? That's why phela mina all over the place. Ngiyambula kuyambezwa. Wena uqeda kushada, ungifunani? Aren't you supposed to be happily married? Yeah? Busy with my life all the damn time. All at the damn time. Skoteni this, skoteni that. I hear you from a rich family. You are rich. You are fluent in English. Usifuna lesigebengu sesangoma esingazi next esifake esusikhotheni esifana negama laso. Unayo yonke into. Usifunani? Angishona nendoda yakho ni independent. Futhi singafaki indoda yakho ngihloniphe nje umntana abantu ongangenzanga next. Ngikhuluma ngawe. Yeah? Phela wena owner abantomazana wena uba mix emaklabhini. Wena owenza lento le ma hook up. Wena mina ngiloko ngithi ngizokhuluma umuntu engaziyo. Awazi ukuthi ngihlala phi kami. Wayimeme wena empilweni yami, wena wa DM mina, wena wamema mina. Mangibheka mina nginabangani ngoba ngiyazazi vele ukuthi ngiqakekile, ngitoxic. So umuntu oceleni kwami mela ngiunderstand. So azange ngi-invite empilweni yami uyizele kimi.
Ayithathapi uyifollow yourself yena kunomuntu omsebenzisayo that's why yenza izinto ezihlanyayo kanje. Awuphumbe lapha angeke kenze nix for call nothing. Angeke nothing. There's nothing that nonsense.
Ngihlezi ngibatshela ukuthi I'm untouchable. I have a friend. I know a friend.
Never.
Guys, no, I'm back, guys. Tomorrow I'm going out. I'm going to go to an event. I'm going to look pretty. I'm going to post videos. I'm going to post content. Let's go. Let's have fun.
That's what we want to hear. Like, hello. I mean, if you for a second, if you doubt your life, if you want to compare the things you've accomplished and compare the shit that's happening in her life and see that she's no better than you. She's not going to do shit to you. You're greater. You're far more greater. And whoever who says bad things about you, fuck them. They don't matter. You matter.
Thank you, Coco.
You matter. You are number one in your life. Please, man. tikoloshi yamasimba ayithatha akahambe naleyo tikoloshi ayofuna hesha sizokhuluma ezinye izinto yazi ngizonitshela ku-WhatsApp ngitshela ku-WhatsApp nama-video we-nonsense wakhe ngizandisendela ku-WhatsApp.
Kunye ngiyakwazi. I don't even need evidence. I was there, I was present, I know.
Wabani ntse ke di buang nonse ngahlanganisi lapha sizophuza
I was there, I was present. Even when I was asked to give bums to the husband, I was there. I was present.
And somebody else is saying it because when I said
No, I'm not lying. It's the truth, and everyone knows it.
This is my safe.
I'm so glad someone else is saying it because when I said it, they said I was lying. Okay.
No, I was asked to give bums, and I said no. That's why I'm being attacked. It's because I refused to give bums.
Khombisa ama-powers wakho le kubantu abangazazi ezangoma. I like him dali. Wena omunye yengize ngikhulume ngawe ke dali. Anye ngikhona ukukhuluma ngawo. Right nje kule content yakho yeqansi. Right nje sithando sami. Nina nobabili nilungihlokoloza ngalamazipho wenu. Ubani ozothi ana yonke into aloka abona abantu abahlala emkhukhwini angisho nginalutho mina. Ungene ngani ngoba nginalutho. Ungifunani ngoba nginalutho. Ngalesikhathi uyintanga yambo yenza umdala kunami phela wena. Umdala nalesibindi sokuthi nenze life ningakagezi nisithathaphi na bengithi nyathula kuvumi mangithule nina nisithathaphi isibindi sokwenza life ningakagezi ngami mina ngagezi manje akubonakala angifana nani ke yekelani indoda yami nina ngizothi ngithi yekelani indoda yami xwelang monaka wena una nankakgetha wena la thalata la bulabu tsekeleke wena ka letsoku wena ka mbontse tlo nka kgetha wena go gobana le monaka wena Jesus ne ke sitse monaka strip clubong wena stripela ke mapakisho mong tjena gisho mong tjena acute motle o tseba type tsa monde wena o tse o kila itsheba wena mara wena o eme ka go headboard tswa go nna. I don't have any problem against you, baby. I love you. I still do. You can come for me. I'll keep quiet. Don't come for my family, bro. What fight did I start? Ngibona ngikubhekile nje ukuthi unukumlomo. I won't make a caucus meeting. I won't add anyone on this life. Lentlwela nonsonso. Lentlwela di bunte putswa. Lentlwela di bunte tala. Kaofela lona. Ha ke le tshabi bile. Ke tla araba. Jo, ke nka lona. Ke le na le stress le tla mane tlapong le tlontsha stress ka dibiri. Mane ka volonche mola. Le tlontsha stress ka dibiri. Ho etsa langa tlo iphetola di Powerpuff Girls o duma ka tje. Ke nka lona tswa monneng wa ka. Buang ka nna guys, if you have something ka nna ntshang ditaba tsa ka. Khipani indaba zamnekele nithi nizo nizulu naniyeza kunini nithi nizo ke 2024-5 hona tjenana mandi Powerpuff Girls lesikala batla mbora lona lebitso la ka ke Bitumelo Motshweneng Mampedi Patricia ha ke le tsabe kaofela le tla nshapa vele nna ke le kwala ke tsebolwana mara mo weekend e ke ziso mo ke teng This ka tlo mphaphela ga ona le Beyonce o dutse le Jay-Z wa hae ba mametse Blue Ivy ka man ona le 3 years o bua sekgowa di no bua sekgowa my love ke Blue Ivy le ska tlo ntlwaela hampe lona ka bontse putso hela hantse le latana ka bobe ha le swabi le babi a kana ha le khotsana kore ha le sa tsela le perfume re le bona mo life ng le nkga lifeng le nkga ke shebile tje ha ka khona iqeta ne tlamile ke shebello bane e bua ka nna e bua ka monnaka buang ka nna man pueng gore ke na le dintsi tse jwang khulumani ngeyiphanga zami khulumani ngami inyenge niphendule hayi ngendoda yami yenzeni indoda yami nakhuluma ngengane yami the way in ngani ngakhona seyifile ingane yami nilila nipepelelile si isangoma esishaya ichitho sikhuluma kanti kunini uhlanganisa baby ngathi nike address wangezi mina ngishaya ukubophisa mina beyigwala gwagwa uyabona lezandla zokuthi zibambe intshebe ziphole
Dominic, you're not Monda's type, baby. Ne? You are not. Yes? Even if he was gay, you're not his type. You are not his type. I was a type yakhe. Ngisho ungafaka makeup, ufake ne-filter, ufake nalama-weave wakho ngadi. You're not Monda's type, baby. Yes? Ukuze ube yitype yamonto mele ucela ubheke mina. Ngisho nabo baby mama bakhe bahle. Hayi ungabanyatsa bokiyo. Bahle. Umuntu une-eye. Une-eye. Nelihlo. You are not Monda's type, baby. Ngayo yonke into uyatshatsha kahle uyaphapha. Umekabi. Uyabona into ezinjalo. Awusitype yamonto. Umonda aka-compromise nge-people lakhe baby. Akathi okay mhlawumbe umuhle umekabi ithangeni aka-compromise. Ngisho nalaba abebhizi nabo njengoba besihlukene manje nathi singazi ukuthi senzani ngathi sididekile. Bebabahle bebangidonsisa ngono. Not you. Kunegeli zothi malivela ngicabanga utataze awe not wena baby.
Here on Triela, a brain of a peanut. Do you think when I was in America, I did not explore, go to school or study? Yeah? Even now, I can't even find the pictures that I had on Facebook because of whatever reason. I don't need to explain myself to you. I don't really need to explain myself to you. So at the end of the day, ungangichwayeli amasimba. Ngalinga ungitshwayela amasimba mina. I can come and I will speak your language very fast. Very, very fast. Continue sibona ukuthi la masimba yophelela rent up leke eo sathi unhlwayela hambi wena unhlwayela masipha unhlwayela matsipha untsibi if it means fana ngihlangane nawe ngizokutshela mina ngizokutshela le nonsense ebusweni bakho I will definitely do that unhlwayela hambi yo he mudimu he akaqale ngama rape cases amlandelayo aqale nama cases wakhe ase THO lawa amlandelayo i THO fails a lot of